Hi, Czar Fentis with Eyepartner, Alex Inman behind the camera, and today we're here to demonstrate how to utilize an HD camera, an inexpensive quad-core PC, the Blackmagic Intensity Pro, and the HD Wave in order to broadcast live. First and foremost, today we're utilizing a Vixia HF10 HD camcorder by Canon that outputs 1080i, and we're using an HDMI cable to connect the camera to our PC. It is important to note that you'll need an Ethernet connection, of course, in order to broadcast out to the internet. Also important to note, the Blackmagic Intensity Pro has two HDMI ports, an input and an output. The input is going to be in the outer portion. The output, which you can use to connect to an HD TV or an external monitor, and as well as your breakout cable to connect a component or composite source, which we have covered in another video. Also, with the Blackmagic Intensity Pro, it is necessary to have a PCI Express or PCIe port on your motherboard in order to be able to install it. Once we have everything connected, you'll need to go into the Blackmagic Media Express software and adjust all your settings in order to capture the stream. To take that portion of the video, Alex will join us in just a moment.
By going to Blackmagic's website at www.blackmagicdesign.com, you'll be able to download and install the drivers for the Blackmagic Intensity Pro card. For ease of use, we have these shortcuts on our desktop, but if you need to first access the Blackmagic control panel, you can do so by going to Start, Control Panel, Blackmagic Control Panel. Once this is open, you'll need to set your input to make sure that the video and audio is coming from the proper source. In our case, since we have the video and audio coming in through HDMI, we'll select the input to HDMI video and HDMI audio. But depending on how you would like to input these, make the proper selection. Select Apply and exit out. Next, go to the Blackmagic Media Express. You can create a shortcut on the desktop, or once again go to Start, Programs, Blackmagic Design, Media Express. From here, the default goes to playback. Since we're looking to capture, select Capture. If no video appears, you'll need to select your preferences in order to get the proper video feed. Up in the menu bar, select Edit, Preferences, and here we need to set the project video format. Since this camera is 1080i at 59.94 frames per second, that's the selection we will make. But depending on what your camera or video source outputs, select the proper format. Select OK, and the video source should show up in the preview window. If the video and the audio bars are activated here, that means both are in the proper settings, and we can now exit out of the Media Express. Last, we start the HD Wave. Log into your account, and once again, if no video shows in the input, go to the gear setting right next to the device, which has already been selected, the DeckLink video capture device. That is the Intensity Pro card. Come and select your video format in here. It is defaulted to an format from a previous camera, so we'll need to go in and change it to the 1080i 59.94. When we select this and turn on the audio, the input should show both the video as well as you can see blips of the audio as well. Since both video and audio are coming in to the input, all we need to do now is start the broadcast. Hit Start Broadcast, and after just a few seconds, you'll be broadcasting live to the channel that you selected. Follow these simple steps and you'll be broadcasting live in HD using a video source, the Blackmagic Intensity Pro Card, and the HD Wave. This has been Alex Inman and Czar Fennis with another tutorial video on how you can take your broadcasting to the next level.